Guys, what's up? Today we are going to create this hexagonal board. So let's start. I'm going to close this. Don't say new part. Click on OK. Now select go to sketch and select sketch. Select front plane, and for hexagon, creating hexagon, go to this polygon. Give the size how many side you want. Then I'm giving 6. Click here. Click on OK. Now go to smart dimension tool. Give this distance whatever is your requirement. Click on OK. Now go to features, extrude, and give this as 5 or anything you require. Click on OK. Now we have created the head for the hexagon. Now go to sketch and select this. Now make this normal. You can open and close that box using this. Make it as normal. After making this as normal, go to this circle and give this radius as 10 to create our threaded part. Now go to features, extrude, and after give this as 100. Click on OK. After that go to this on whole wizard, thread, and OK. Click on OK. Now here it is showing thread location, edge of the cylinder. I'm selecting this one. Now you can see the thread preview. Now the distance is automatically selected, and I have already told you type and size. Then again method of thread, and here thread option. In thread option you can create left hand thread or right hand thread depending upon your requirement. After that it is preview option is shaded wireframe. As you can see preview option, click on OK. As you see, we have already successfully created a board of M10 into 1.25. The pitch distance is 1.25, which means that the distance between this and this is 1.25 mm. These two A's are called pitch. I hope you understand this. Now let's make hexagonal knot. To create, so go to sketch and again sketch. Go to this one and select a front plane. Now make this normal, as you can see. Now let's create another one hexagon to make knot and click on OK. Now give the smart dimension, using smart dimension tool, give this as let's make it as 15. Click on OK. Now let's make one circle to make this work of radius 10 and click on OK. Now go to features and extrude it to 10 and no 10 or anything you want. Okay, now you can see the preview like this. If you want to rotate the image like this, then you have to press and hold your middle mouse button and you drag your mouse. Now go to all wizard and click on thread. Now click on OK and select this edge. Now remove this distance, make this as 10, then click on OK. As I have already told you before, the cord thread is not applicable in this, so we need to go down and make it as extrude thread and click on OK. The thread has been applied in both this and this. I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching.